This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the audio and YouTube so you can work fast. First, sign in and open the Shorts Upload or Create page. This keeps the platform ready. Next, choose your sound source, a local MP3, the YouTube audio library, or a short clip. Pick one to avoid format issues. Then install or enable a virtual audio device like VB Audio or Loopback so your system can route sound into the browser. Once done, you will route playback to that device and set your browser input to match. Once your devices are set, route and sync the audio so it aligns with visuals. Set your system output and the browser's microphone/input to the virtual audio device. This makes playback register as input. Use an editor like Audacity to trim the file, add fades, and normalize loudness to a consistent target so YouTube won't auto-attenuate. Then play the audio while recording or use the upload tool's timeline to position the track. Make sure the start point matches your clip so lips and beats align precisely. To finish, export and upload with settings that preserve your audio. Render MP4 with AAC audio, choose vertical 9, 16 or 16:9 depending on frame, and keep the duration under 60 seconds. Upload through the Shorts interface, attach your audio file or choose your saved sound, and add accurate metadata and captions for discoverability. If audio fails, check microphone permissions, verify virtual device routing, clear browser cache, and try another browser. If nothing works, re-export with a simpler codec and retry the upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.